Yo, what's up, everybody? It's a beautiful day right now. It's going to turn into a kind of a shit day, but we'll make do. My rear tire is almost all the way bald, so the rain's supposed to start picking up around 7. That's when I get off. So I probably decided, finally came to me that, that MoVo ACM, or I think it's ASM 400, something like that. Yeah, that's made for MotoVlogging, and the road Lavalier 2 isn't necessarily, so, fuck it. So I ordered one of those, and, it's gonna come in today, hopefully. So yeah, I mean, I just want something that doesn't clip. I don't think it's the Road 2. I think it's definitely the microphone. Yeah, I don't expect more motorcycles to be around because most of them are pussies. Oh, there's one. He's not a brother. He's a rider. Looks like a old school. So I mean, I don't know if the wind's gonna suck on it. I got the other mic in my jacket pocket, inside pocket. It's leather, but I'm probably pretty sure it's gonna be hitting that wind. When I get that, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to get it so it's at least a little bit clear without having to spend a bunch of money. Yeah, so I'm gonna be taking the Twisties today. I had some other topics. I like the recording and stuff was just, I dropped the ball on that, like it was too low, or like I forgot to, like my voice recorder, it stopped recording. I pressed the button or something. So yeah, so it's supposed to be raining. Yeah, excuse me for my interruptions. I'm just trying to get my head I go from dad mode into gotta get to work, and I want to have confidence in my equipment and all that good stuff. So yeah, it's quite the wind right now. I put tape over my all my GoPro mics, like there's 3 positions for it, and I put it all on them. I got a wind slayer for it because the GoPro mics pick up some pretty good, they pick up some pretty good sound quality when it comes to exhaust sound. So I know I lost my other wind slayer. Yeah, this is a ridiculous wind, this is thick. But anyways, yeah, I picked up a couple pack of that. I lost my other one, and it worked pretty dang good. But anyway, we're going through the Twisties, of course, as usual. Motorcycling dull without Twisties. Yeah, this GSX-S was slept on. The GSX-S750 was slept on because it's heavy and it's only 750. It's a Suzuki. But when the wind comes, when the highway speeds come, yeah, you want that heavy front wheel. No problem. Got no problems in the wind. So we're definitely going through these Twisties today. It is wind, but hopefully that most of the sections of the route aren't blown over. I can't wait for this weather to get stable. It's my first season in Colorado. I got here at the tail end of summer, and it was just bomb riding. And this has been nothing but a blue ball effect when it comes to yeah, when it comes to the weather, like it'll be nice for a little bit, and then, you know, that plus me only having one day off a week, and luckily I got, well, not lucky is my hard work, but I got promoted to a better position, same hours, but I get 2 days. I'm getting 2 days off. I initially volunteered for doing an extra day because I know it would be beneficial for the business, because I'm, you know, trying to get the business to you know, to be a better business, you know, to have more not profitability, but better synergy, you know, better business treasures. And yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get the Twisty effect I wanted today, because I don't know if there's stalker cops. Gotta be careful about that. Might be a stalker cop. I saw one down the road on the right, a little bit back. But what he sees, I mean, I don't know. These days they got radar and stuff, so yeah, whatever. Might as well plug something up my butt and tell me what to do the entire time. This is boring. Like, I want to stick behind these cars. No, that ain't cop. That might be though. How come some days they're out and some days they're not? Like, I just want to like avoid putting pressure on fucking people. Putting pressure on people. Like, I just want to have fun. Yeah. It's too easy to get around these corners. Once I get in these twisties, I know I'm good. Like, there's not gonna be hoppers around here. For new riders, if you just learn how to counter steer, like, that's cool and everything, but there's gonna be, there's more to riding than that, which I found out. I took the motorcycle safety course a while ago, like 15 years ago, and he taught nothing but counter steering, which is alright, but if you want to go to the next level, definitely need to learn how to position yourself. There's a video, like a short or whatever, of Yamaha Racing School, and it's like, you know, how turning your wheel affects your turning versus like your lean angle, like your body positioning, and you can get way more out of your cornering if you just you can get way more out of your cornering if you just learn how to position your body. Initially I thought, you know, it was like, that's kind of squid shit, but no, they're right. You gotta learn body positioning, put the weight where it matters. It's hard to go slow when you got this brutal death metal and, you know, 115 some ponies with more torque than you need. I mean, oh, cool. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know about passing this guy right here. Too late for me. Maybe if I was more aggressive with 1000cc. Yeah, I just want to be able to not pressure people. I don't know what's going on with my shifter. It's like stupid something. Yeah, like need some grease or something. I greased it up with some metal, heavy duty metal protector, AMSOIL metal protector. So I mean, it shouldn't do this, but I guess it needs a little bit more grease with some lithium all-purpose motorsport grease on it. You know, you learn as you go what works and what doesn't work. Yeah, not one person's been turning out here like all the times I've been, so. Nope, there's someone coming up. Just gotta make sure you're going slow in case it's turning out, which is totally a safety thing and a courtesy thing. Alright, this is a good corner right up here. Like, I don't know if I'm just gonna send it or what, but I wanna get it. If it's a nice day out, there's definitely going to be more people on the road. I don't have to send it all the time. It's just an option. But if I was on 1,000 cc, I don't know if I could hold myself back. Especially, you know, it's just a flick of the wrist and you're already a bus length ahead. I'm just trying to keep courteous, you know. I mean, there's multiple cars ahead.